How to fix the Snapchat login blocked on iPhone due to failed attempts or suspicious activity. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Snapchat app on iOS is locked because of repeated failed login attempts or suspicious activity, here is what you should do. Basically, Snapchat temporarily locks accounts to keep your info safe if it detects multiple failed login attempts or any suspicious behavior. A simple fix for this is waiting for 24 hours before logging in again. Snapchat usually unlocks your account automatically. However, if this is not what you want, in that case you can reset password on iPhone. For this, tap on forgot password and then choose via phone or via mail. This way you can follow the instructions to create a new password. You might also have to confirm by verification code of email or SMS. Next step is you need to update Snapchat application to the latest version. If it's already updated, make sure to delete the app once and reinstall it. After reinstalling, if you try to log in again, it should probably work. However, if none of these fixes work, you need to contact Snapchat support for the further help. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.